How to start a formal letter of request.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic, how to start a formal letter of request. Whether you're writing a letter to a company, organization, or government agency, it's essential to know how to begin your request in a professional and effective manner. So, let's dive right in.
The opening salutation.
The opening salutation is the first part of your letter, and it sets the tone for your request. Begin by addressing the recipient formally, using appropriate titles such as Dear Mr., Dear Mrs., or Dear Doctor. If you're unsure about the recipient's gender or marital status, you can use a gender-neutral salutation like Dear, full name. Remember to use the appropriate professional titles when addressing someone in a position of authority or when writing to a formal institution.
State your purpose clearly.
In the following section, clearly state the purpose of your letter. Be concise and to the point, as the recipient may receive numerous letters and requests. You can use a sentence or two to explain why you are writing and what you are requesting. Make sure your request is specific and well-defined to avoid any confusion. Clearly state the action or favor you are seeking from the recipient.
Provide context and background information.
To help the recipient understand the context of your request, it's important to provide some relevant background information. Explain the reasons behind your request and provide any necessary details or supporting information. This will help the recipient understand the importance and urgency of your request. However, be mindful not to include unnecessary details or veer off topic. Keep your explanation focused and relevant.
Express gratitude and show politeness.
When making a request, it's crucial to express gratitude and show politeness throughout your letter. Use polite and courteous language to convey respect and appreciation for the recipient's time and consideration. Consider using phrases like, I would be grateful if you could, or, I kindly request your assistance with. These phrases demonstrate your appreciation and make a positive impression on the reader.
Closing remarks and contact information.
In the final section of your letter, conclude with closing remarks and provide your contact information. Restate your appreciation for the recipient's attention to your request and express your willingness to provide further information if needed. Provide your phone number or email address so that the recipient can easily reach you if they require additional details or have any questions. That brings us to the end of our video on how to start a formal letter of request. Remember, the way you begin your letter sets the tone for the entire communication, so it's important to make a strong and professional start. By following the guidelines we discussed, you can create an effective and persuasive opening for your letter of request. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.